One of the nice things about effects is they can be applied to multiple different types of objects, including text. A good example of an effect is the warp effects. There are several different types of warp effects, and they all use essentially the same interface to apply the effects. To apply the effect, select the desired effect from the menu, and its options appear in this dialog box. From this dialog box, you can choose from any of the available warp effects. The arc effect lets you bend the object up from a central point. By enabling the preview option, you can see the results as you are creating them. There are also arc lower and arc upper effects that you can use to bend it only in one direction. The arch effect is similar to the arc effect, but it keeps the center line centered. The bulge effect causes the object to bend out in both directions from its central midline. The shell lower and shell upper effects cause the lower end or upper end of the object to be flared out. The flag effect kind of bends the object around in both directions, as if it were a waving flag. The wave effect is similar to the flag effect, except it constrains the text to stay within a given area. The fish effect increases one area and kind of decreases another area to make it kind of fit into a fish-shaped object. This type of effect can also be simulated using envelopes. The rise effect causes the object to gradually increase and level off. The fisheye effect distorts the text by pushing it out towards the edges, as if it was looked through a fisheye lens. Inflate does the same effect, but it lets the object move beyond its boundaries, as if it was being pumped up by air. Squeeze effect has the inverse, where it pulls it into the center, as if it was being pulled together by a string. And finally, the twist effect causes the object to be twisted about its center in either direction. The warp effects are fun, and they provide a different way to alter and distort your objects.